all know the power of Google through its spam protection, user experience enhancement, and many more. But the most of us does not realize this serious search engine can play pranks on its users to amuse them. Here I have compiled some very interesting Google hidden tricks and secrets that are still active today. Happy Google. Trick number 1. Type author breakout in Google search. Since I already mentioned it is one of the Google secrets, definitely this search is not going to return the regular search result page loaded with information pertaining to author breakout. Instead, it will take you to the screen where you can play a classic game. Interesting? Huh? Trick number 2. Type Google in 1998 and click enter. What you see, completely different version of Google. This is how our search giant was appeared in 1998. Trick number 3. Do a barrel roll. Type the term do a barrel roll in Google search box. Hang on, before hitting enter, guess what Google will supposed to return you. As a YouTube video that explains how to do a barrel roll, a standard information loaded page. Hit enter now and see what happens. It's really cool Google secret, guys. Trick number 4. Custom street view. This one is one of the very useful and amazing Google secrets. Type Singapore or any other word in the search box, drag and drop pagement into the maps, and here will take you to Google's new street view imagery. You can see it now. Drag and drop, zoom and zoom out. This way you can cool, isn't it? Trick number 5. ZerBrush. Type ZerBrush in the Google search, click enter. What happened? Does small O's destroy your search results? It's an Easter egg game enabled by Google in 2012. Click on those egg quickly and save your results. Trick number 6. Type Elgoog in search box. To answer you in the same way, Google will return Google Mirror and click I'm feeling lucky. Look, Google has returned its mirror. Trick number 7. Type tilt in the search box and hit I'm feeling lucky. Your entire screen will be slightly turned into white. Thank you very much.